Today is Thursday and it's throwing it down with rain. The temperature outside is 11.6 and the temperature inside is 17. Jane's reading an e-book and I've just had a shave, and this is the front window of the van. You can see the moisture, and we're going to be moving the van today because we're going to try and do another walk, believe it or not. Yeah, the weather's supposed to improve. What's the time now? It's about 20 to 9 and we're going to wait till just after 9 because they're hoping the local traffic will calm down. And we're hoping to park at Monsal Head. We can find a way there and do some walking around that area, and tomorrow we head home. Just parked in the Monsal Head Car Park. I didn't video the journey because it rained all the way, and the van's there. And this is the view, and it's spitting with rain now, but yeah, you used to be able to park overnight here in your motorhome, but they've stopped it now. I assume people have spoilt it during lockdown, so we've stopped here in the van for a couple of nights before. Getting back in the van, Jane's got the kettle on, and the branch is a bit close to the top of the van, but I think we're alright. I'm not too worried. And I'll just show you the parking charges. They changed looks like the parking in 2020 this year. It does say no camping in a motorhome or in a caravan here, and but you can park all day for £6, and you can park overnight for £1. But as it says here, no camping or sleeping in motor vehicles overnight. Well, we've got our extra layers on today, and this is the view. Go look at the view, Jane. That's where we're going, down there. Well, we've got the right kit on if it's really bad weather. You've got your hood up already. I've got my gloves if you want them. And there's Herb just there. The wind's come up. We're going to the viaduct first, and then we're going to head to the waterfall, aren't we? Yeah. Jane's gone back to the van to get a woolly hat because the wind is really cold up here, and we're losing the blue sky again, so it looks like it's going to rain. And the problem is with the wind, with these hoods on our jackets, if you're facing into the wind, it can, unless you've got it right across your face, it can blow off your head. And unless you've got it strapped across like your mouth. It's slippy going down here to the viaduct. I don't know where there's blue sky is upsetting the camera. I'm not sure it's coming out. That colour, it's always been clear, isn't it? This shows you. Gosh, it is right up, isn't it? I've never seen it this wide before. Some ducks down there. Look at that. And look at that blue sky up there, look. Get reflection of it in the water. This bit of tree's just come down. There's a crack. John, it's got a couple of mushrooms on the end. They go for a ride. Get through. I've got it. No. It's a shame they fenced it off. See the mist coming off it. Oh look, getting the sun now. Right, you're going to go across the bridge? Yeah. Ooh, that is a flow on that. I'm going back the other side to the waterfall. Right, it's a bit unnerving even walking along on this, isn't it? That is a flow, that is. You wouldn't be able to do a poo stick, because by the time you turn around it'd be gone. No. Gosh, that is flowing. Just come from the other side. It's impressive, that is, isn't it?
We've actually stood on the stones down there, haven't we?
Yeah, we've stood on the rocks down there, yeah. Yeah, but they fenced it all off.
Yeah, but not that mountain.
No, I don't think they've just done it for that amount of water. I think they've done it as a permanent thing. Perhaps people were silly and jumping in it or something. Walking in the woods along the side of the water. All the autumn colours. You can hear the birds singing. This tree that's down, I'm not sure if it looks like an alpaca or a swan or a dinosaur. What do you think? What does it look like to you? Don't know. So, rapids. We've sat on there, haven't we, as well? Yeah, we sat on there and had a paddle on that. That was about 4 or 5 years ago, maybe. What do you reckon it was? Coot?
Yeah.
Not sure where we are at the moment, but we're still following the river. This is as far as we're going on this stretch because it goes across the A6. It comes to the A6 and then you cross over into a car park. And then if you carry on the other way, you go into that place in Water, what's it called? Ashford in Water, yeah, and it's quite a long walk the other way, and you go through the woods and it's very slippy. We have sat here and we've seen dogs swimming in here and we've seen people paddling, but obviously not today. On our way back now and following the footpath, and there's a horrible smell in the air like metallic burning plastic. It was lovely and fresh coming, but coming back it's ooh. Well, it's been blown over in these dark clouds. I'm not sure if somebody's got a fire somewhere, you know, like somebody's got a fire and they put some plastic bags on it. Really heavy metallic smell. God, it's horrid. Last look at the Weir or Waterfall. Oh, brilliant. Heading back for something sweet in the van, I think. Beautiful. They're so clean, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh God. Another look. This used to be the old railway line. Yeah, last look. Losing the light now. It's getting a bit grey. That's the pub up there, and we're just up behind those trees in the car park.
space.